This is our M-C8 charging cabinet. It holds 8 units, and it also comes with a combination lock for extra security. If I open it up here, you can see there's 8 devices, up to 14-inch screen size, and you also have your number labels down here, 1 through 8 for organization. And the blue dividers as well offer cable management. You can run a wire through there as well for organization. And you'll notice also, if I touch this side, there's ventilation, that way none of your devices are getting overheated as well. And on the top here, it comes with 2 keys. If you open it on up, this is storage for your cables and wires. It also has a power strip as well, so everything is super organized. So I definitely recommend this for libraries, schools, any places where you need to keep your devices stored in a safe way.